Hi, I'm Elina Holley.
And I'm Linda, aka Super Flinda. We made our first collaboration in Ljubljana Street Art Festival in 2023. We're both members of the Finnish Street Art Guild G-Rex and the all-female street art collective.
I've been creating since I was a little kid, inventing games and coming up with stories and like these characters. I have always drawn, and but my art teacher was the one who really encouraged me to go to study arts. I wasn't too sure when I was younger whether I could make a living out of it. I'm a multi-talent. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator by trade, and I do also many other things, but the past few years I've been focusing on public art. My calling is to make a difference, a positive difference through public art, murals particularly, and that's why being here is very special for me.
Actually, I've been also, while I was a kid, I was drawing all the time, so it comes from the childhood already. Later I then studied some new media and illustration and typography and to become an artist.
My biggest inspiration is nature. I want to inspire people to celebrate life and cherish the beauty around us, and also protect the delicate planet we have. My work is combination of the aesthetics of joy. There are strong compositions, graphic elements, bright colors, mixture of elegance and minimalism.
So in my work, I try to usually convey positive messages. There has to be a bit of humor too. Mostly I use letters as illustrations, so I do different kinds of lettering. So we became a part of the Tivoli Gardens Mural Project in Kingston, Jamaica, by applying to Meeting of Stars Jamaica, which is kind of the second phase of the Tivoli Murals projects. I guess they liked our work because then they approved our applications and we got the invitation to come here.
I think we both were really touched by the message, the mission behind all this project. They want to beautify the neighborhood in Tivoli Gardens and convey hope. Their theme, I really love it, the healing thoughts through art. It's very much aligned with our own calling to make a positive difference through public art. And also we both really wanted to visit Jamaica, so it was amazing to be able to combine these two.
So we named our artwork Unity because that's obviously the main message which we wanted to highlight, and it's also what we were experiencing in the community of Tivoli Gardens while painting this mural. Inspiration for the colors were the Jamaica colors. We just picked a little bit more muted, subtle tones of the famous Jamaica colors. So.
And I love painting tropical flowers anyway, so it was really nice to be able to do it here where they are native. So there's birds of paradise growing around the lettering. There's a magnolia blossom in the middle, so symbolism of flourishing and growth. There's a scarab beetle, which is an ancient Egyptian symbol of transformation also. So there's a few different levels of symbolism there. We knew that people here are really warm and kind, welcoming and loving, but it still exceeded our expectations. Felt so at home immediately when we arrived, and
got so much love from all the people. Really, it's been amazing.
And as we're both vegetarians, this is truly a haven for us.
Yes.
So many there's so much amazing fruit, and the food is so delicious. Loving it.
And a lot of vegan and vegetarian options everywhere.
Perfect.
Also, we were kind of expecting it to be beautiful, but we were completely astonished how beautiful the island is. So, wow. So, wow.
Words can't really describe working in Tivoli Gardens. It was just so incredible experience. The people, oh my god, they were so welcoming. We literally went to people's homes to use the toilets and it was like staying in their living room, hanging out in the yard together. Amazing. And the kids, they were so curious, like following us and wanted to collaborate. There was this one particular girl who was like throughout the whole process like really sharply observing us, so I'm kind of super curious to see like what the future holds for her. I think there's an artist, a really good one, coming up there.
So the Jamaican elements that inspired our work was of course the project's mission, and from Elina's side the tropical flowers, from my side the amazing lettering you can see all over Jamaica where people do their own signs, and there's also a couple of really good Jamaican sign painters keeping the craft alive. And obviously the colors, which we took from the classical Jamaican colors, just a little bit more muted and toned down.
It was interesting. The feel in Tivoli Gardens was actually quite similar to when I grew up. There was a strong sense of community there, and the kids playing together, like shared kind of responsibility, like adults looking after one another's kids. It was a similar thing in the apartment building complex where when I was a little kid, had a lot of friends and always something happening there. So yeah, quite similar actually.
So yeah, in Finland we actually see quite many parts or influences of the Jamaican culture. There's lots of reggae music that we hear from Jamaica, and actually we even have our own Finnish language reggae music developed in Finland, so that's very interesting. Then there's a lot of dance hall events, dance classes, dance hall music, so yeah, we do get to experience some Jamaican culture in Finland as well. So cultural exchange through art means a lot of things to us, but is especially like learning new things, learning new skills, meeting people, getting inspiration.
Yeah, and like sharing experiences, new experiences, and connecting with people, very important.
And of course, like inspiration you can get anywhere, but especially when you travel and see new cultures, new places, there's new types of inspiration everywhere.
And interestingly, you don't necessarily, it comes afterwards, you realize how much this has impacted you. You see it in your artwork afterwards. It's super interesting.
Only later.
The beautiful thing about public art, like painting, is that you get the interaction. You get to see how people respond to your work. So we already saw how this impacts people. There's these comments love, love, love. It's really touching to see it. And we obviously want to as well have that impact. We want our piece to be uplifting, joyful, bring people joy. And also, as the theme is unity, so remind us and everybody that we are united, we are connected, and we are stronger together.
So for our future projects and possible collabs, we cannot unfortunately share anything right now, but if you're interested, you can follow us at our socials. You can find us at
Elina Holley, so ELINA HOLLEY.
And I am at Super Flinda, so SUPPRFLINDA. So the message we would like to leave for Jamaicans. Oh well, first of all, we want to give very special big thanks to the Meaning of Styles Jamaica organization, Tivoli Murals Project, all our fellow artists, and of course all the Jamaican people and other people too who we met during our travels in Jamaica.
You're so special to us, and remember your magic. We can realign and restart as many times as we need to. The future is unwritten, and anything really is possible. So keep the positive mindset.
Peace, love, and unity.
Love you.